Hi there. Today we are going to create this. Open After Effects and create a new composition. Let's call it Ocean Animation. As always, I'm using 1920 by 1080 resolution at 30 frames per second, and the duration of 10 seconds. First, create a new solid in white color. Good. Now click on Effect from menu bar and in Trapcode submenu select Mirror. And then go to Effect Control. Open Geometry. Let's change vertices X and Y to 1000. Also change sizes to cover whole screen. Now open Fractal and change the fractal type to multi. Also decrease amplitude. It looks cool. We use camera to make it 3D. Create a camera layer. Select camera tool and turn the layer. Now change rotate X to 90. Also increase size X and Y. Then go to shader and change its type to Phong. Now create light layer. Make sure that its type is spot. Then go to Material and change color to blue. I think it's good. Now increase diffuse as you want. It looks cool. Then go to Fractal and change amplitude. Now import a picture from Sky. You can download it from the link in description. And place it below solid layer. Now select the picture layer and press S to open scale. And increase it. Cool. It's time to animate it. Now go to the first frame. And add keyframes to evolution and offset X. Now go to any second you want. And chang them to 100. Now run preview. Our animation is complete. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Have fun and learn lots.